Now I can. Yeah.
Okay. At the time of installation, if you remember, we have given swap size as twice of RAM. Means our virtual machine has 1 GB RAM, so we have given the swap space of 2 GB, if you remember.
Okay.
Correct? This is 1024 and then it is 2048. Correct?
2048. Yes.
This is RAM and this is your
Swap.
So what happens here is your swap memory will act as a support system for your RAM.
Okay.
System for your RAM. Buying physical RAM is expensive. That is why swap memory is added to the RAM, so that swap memory is nothing but swap is taking a chunk of memory, chunk of memory from hard disk. Okay. And giving it as a support system for RAM. So that your processing speeds are unaffected. Okay.
Okay.
So let us open pbrush and see. So now if you see here, if this is your RAM, you take give it as swap like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happens here is, for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 programs are getting. Then the remaining program 6, 7, 8, 9 will be swap in from the RAM. From it, when it comes from RAM to swap, it is called swap in. When it is coming from swap to RAM, it is called swap out. So what happens here? 1 is processed, then 6 will come here. Understood?
Okay.
2 processes completed, then 7 will add to the queue. Understood?
Got it.
So this is called swap in and swap out mechanism. So by using swap in and swap out mechanism, instead of handling 5 programs, you are handling 10 programs at the time, 10 processes at the time. Otherwise, understood? So this is swap in and swap out. So we will see how we will be adding more space to the swap. Okay, we already have swap. So if you want to increase your swap space, how will you do that? Will be seen now. And this finishes off your disk management. Okay. So let the machine turn on.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we will see.
So for AWS also we use this application only, VMware Workstation?
No. That just is for the disk management, we will use this.
Okay, so even in the company, in case if you have to work on disk management, then this has to be installed.
Currently, we are not working on disk management anymore.
Okay.
But for some projects, you may have to work with disk management. It is not like you will not get it entirely, but there is a chance that you may also get disk management. It depends on your project.
Okay.
So if there is disk management, you will be directly dealing with the storage of your company. Okay, you will not be doing anything on cloud. On cloud, the storage is different. We will talk about on cloud storage when we are talking about the cloud.
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is different. That is different. Entirely two different concepts. I will log in as root into my virtual machine so that we can establish that swap. Okay.
Okay.
Swap is a small concept. It's not great big concept. Okay. Don't worry about it. Just understand things. Understanding things is important, not.
System not registered.
That's okay. That's okay because you did not take you did not take the Red Hat registration. Okay. So now if you see you can do fdisk. Okay. So first of all, let us see lsblk command and check. Okay. Okay, we have lv is everything. Okay. First of all, let us remove everything. Lv remove /dev by underscore vz by whole 0.
Wrong, you mentioned, I think, spelling.
No, correct only, no?
LVOL. You mentioned LOVL.
Oh, LVOL. Okay. LVOL 0. Okay. I have removed it. Understood?
Yeah.
So now VZ remove test underscore VZ. Okay. So PV remove /dev by nvm e0 n2 p1
P1.
in the same way n1 p4.
N1 P4.
Okay. fdisk /dev by nvm e0 n2 and this will remain in the memory. Okay, and E0 EO I get. Okay, 0 and 2 delete the partition W K part text hyphen F /dev by NVMe 0 and 2. Okay, the next one is what you will do 0 and 1 you will give. Okay, delete the partition.
Delete.
Partition I will delete W K part text hyphen F /dev by NVMe 0 and 1.
N1.
Okay, we'll clear this one. So now let me create one partition. How to create a swap partition we are seeing now. Okay. fdisk /dev by nvm e0 n1. Okay. Now let us create a new partition. Primary partition. Fourth partition.
Fourth partition.
I'm giving 2 GB. Okay.
Okay.
I'm giving 2 GB. Then the T. And for the swap is not 8E. For the swap it is 82. Okay. For the fourth partition, if you list swap, you can see 82 is swap. Check here. Okay. So you will give 82. Okay. Now the partition type changed from Linux to Linux swap. Understood?
Correct. Yeah.
Now let us do W. Okay. After doing W, kpartex hyphen f /dev by nvm e0
N1.
1
P4. P4.
n1 not p4 n1. Okay. If you check lsblk, you can check here. It has been there. So now what you will do? MK swap you will do.
See, P4 you created for this swap, right?
Correct.
But why is that swap showing with P3?
P3 is already swapped, no? It is already 2 GB while creating the installing the operating system. It is already
So it
there.
will come to the last one.
Okay, another 2 GB came here. You have to make it swap. So make swap command you should use. Make swap /dev by nvm e0 n1 p4.
P4.
Okay.
Okay, you will not mention from where to where, is it?
That is mounting.
Okay.
This is make swap. LSBLK you check. Okay. This one will be swap now. So now what I will do, I will do I will do a small change. That small change is called permanent mounting. Until now you are mounting like this, right? MOUNT mount, and then you are giving /dev by nvm e0 n1 p4, and then you are giving the mount point mp, correct? So now let us do permanent mounting. For doing the permanent mounting, you have to edit the file called vi/etc by fs tab. Okay, this is where you need to go.
Okay.
you have to go here and you have to write something here. You can also give the UID. If you are not giving the UID, you can give the label also. I'm giving the label here. /dev by NVM E0N1
P4.
P4. Understood?
Yeah.
So that will become swap. Okay. That will become swap, or otherwise you can also give none. I'll give swap. Okay. Swap. And then also here the type of the partition is swap. I'll give. Then I will give defaults. Okay. Defaults is the mounting options. What happened? Why are they bursting crackers?
Maybe
Okay.
India Pakistan match.
Huh?
India Pakistan match maybe.
Oh, India Pakistan match is there. 1 second. Wait. See, you should not do these things.
No, I saw my husband seeing phone that time. I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, we
see, I'm
won
very
Asia Cup, I
intelligent.
guess. Okay. Oh, 35. Pakistan versus Sri Lanka. That is. This is on 10th, no? This is not today. I
Then
don't know. Not the match. Okay. Okay. Then you have to do WQ. Once you do WQ, what happens is your thing will be on. Then you have to do swap on -a. Swap on -a. Okay. Once you
what
do
is the
swap
swap
on.
on for this permanent swapping?
No. You already made swap. No. Now you are
Yeah,
turning
in
swap
editing we
on.
did I edit.
You're turning the swap on now. You have
Okay.
made it, you're turning it
Huh.
on. -a
Huh.
is all. Okay, LSBLK check. Now
Okay.
it became swap.
Hmm.
Understood?
Okay.
Even if you want to go and check, you can check in free-m. Free-m, the swap is now 4098 instead of
Okay. Okay.
2048.
2048.
Understood?
Hmm.
Yes.
Is how you create swap. If you want to remove swap, what will you do? You will go to fdisk. Swap off, first you need to do swap off -a. Okay. That
Now
is
if I go to that free -m, it will not be there, no?
your system will reboot first. So after
Oh,
swap -a. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Now what you will do, root Linux 123. Okay. So now let us go to terminal and check. Okay. LSBLK, let us check. Swap is off now.
Okay.
Okay, once the swap is off, what will you do? You will go to fdisk/dev by nvm e0n1. And if you want to delete the partition, delete the partition. Fourth partition you will delete w kpartex -f/dev by nvm e0n1 you will give. Okay.
Hmm.
Once it is done, if you run lsblk command, you will find only 3 partitions under it. And you can
Okay.
remove the hard disk after unit zeroing. You just do unit 0. You go to the machine, go to the particular machine. It will turn off. So otherwise you can also go from here settings. Okay, go to the settings and then go to the hard disk, which is 3 GB. Remove the hard disk. Understood?
Got it.
That is about swap. This completes your disk management. Okay,
Okay.
Mm.
so
Swap off, swap in Alachi. Swap
MK
on.
swap. First I'll give you the steps here. Okay, first you do fdisk.
F disk.
Okay, /dev by nvm e0n1. Okay.
Yeah.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಕ್ಕ ನಿಮಿಷ ಓಕೆನಾ
Hmm.
Okay. So then what you have to do after this? After this, make a new partition, primary partition,
Then
fourth partition,
fourth partition.
type, and then you will give 82 because 82 is for the swap.
Swap.
Okay.
Yes.
Once you do this, W, then
W.
kpartex
K-part-X
-f
hyphen X
slash dev by nvm e0 n1.
one.
Okay.
Yeah.
After this, what you will do? You will do mk swap, make
MK
swap
swap.
slash dev by
And
nvm
M
e0 n1 p4.
P4.
After this, you will go to vi slash etc by fs tab.
Stab. Stab. I
Okay,
think.
fs tab. And then you will give slash dev by nvm e0 n1 p4. Understood?
Yeah.
Then the
Then
next
swap.
option you will be giving is swap. The next option you will be
Swap.
giving is swap, and
And
then there will be defaults, and then there will be
0,
0 0. Okay,
yeah.
0 0,
0.
and then you will wq. This is the last line you have to add in the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Okay. Once you have done that, you will do mk swap. You have done, right? Then you will do swap on hyphen a.
Hyphen A.
Then
Then
you will go for lsblk. You
we'll.
have to see the last partition with the ending swap like this.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? Even
Yeah.
if you go to free hyphen m, you need to find
Find
it
swap.
as 4095 or something
Mm-hmm.
instead of 2048. Understood?
Correct. Correct.
So the next thing what you will do, if you want to
Swap.
remove the swap, you will do swap of hyphen a.
Yeah.
And
And
then what you will do, you will go to vi slash etc by fs tab. You have
step.
all. You should also remove this one. Okay, which I
Mm-hmm.
forgot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now my computer will not turn on. See, this is the problem I did.
Oh.
You should not do that. I have forgot that.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I will not be able to log in right now because my kernel goes into panic mode. If you edit the fs tab entry and if you
Don't
did
move
not
that. Mm.
have that, if you did not remove it, your kernel should go into the panic mode.
Mm-hmm.
Now it will not turn on actually. Let us see if it turns on because in the earlier versions it used to not turn on. So now we have to um, not ask unnecessary questions, you know.
Okay.
Not for you.
Hmm.
That's not for you.
Then.
Don't ask unnecessary questions is not for you. It's for someone else.
Uh-huh.
So let it turn on. Mostly it should not turn on. Let's see if it turns on.
Okay.
Because I have,
Takes much time.
yeah, it is taking much time means it's because there is a misconfiguration in the FS tab.
Okay.
Okay, so don't repeat this mistake. Okay, after this you go to slash etc by FS tab and delete that line dd, the added line. Okay,
Okay.
this line you should dd. Okay, this is very important.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
then once it is done, you can do what? You can do fdisk slash dev by nvm e0 n1,
Hmm.
delete partition, fourth
Fourth
partition,
partition.
w,
W.
kpartex hyphen f slash dev by nvm e0 n1.
N1.
After this, if you go to lsblk, you should be seeing three partitions
Only.
under
N1.
dev by nvm e0 n1.
One.
Understood?
Yeah.
And here is your notes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Confusing. See, it's not getting turned on. That's the problem. Okay. Even it gets turned on. We are super lucky. This time it got turned on. Every time it will not. Okay.
Okay.
So remove the line. Don't forget to remove the line.
So if you forget and you shut down, and
Hmm.
next time when you're opening it, you can go back and delete it.
Yes, you can go back and delete it.
Okay,
You
because
can go back and
already
delete it
without
because if it is not getting added, then if it is not getting turned on, then there is another process to do it. It's a lengthy process rather. So let us not go into that because you are not going to troubleshoot it anyway. So
Okay.
so let's not go there. Okay, delete this particular line. Okay,
Mm.
you just delete the line and you are good. Okay,
Mm.
I have already deleted it. So that line should be deleted. The fourth line you have added, right?
Yeah.
The line which you will be adding like /dev by nvm e0 n1 p4, and then you will be going here and writing swap, and again you will be coming here and writing swap and defaults and 0 and 0. It
This
should
page
be
is created by Anaconda.
correct. Python Anaconda, you will see a lot of things. Anaconda is a script that runs in Linux.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Anaconda is a script that runs in.
I thought someone just gave a name like that.
Yeah, Anaconda is the name of the script that runs inside Linux. It's like Python.
Mm.
Page is created by Anaconda. Okay. So there is one more thing called swappiness. Okay. Just
Happiness.
understand swappiness, just like
Like
happiness.
happiness. Okay.
So after starting these sessions, the only thing I have is swappiness, no happiness.
Till we finish, for us also it is only swappiness, not happiness.
You all will also have swappiness from no happiness. So random access memory,
Mm.
for example, 30% of RAM is utilized. Okay, then I
Okay.
want the swap out. Understood?
Hmm.
Otherwise, 90% of the RAM is completed. Then you swap out. Swap out is nothing but sending program from RAM to swap in. Okay.
Hmm.
So that metric is swappiness. How will you configure that um, particular thing? You have to go and check. Where you will go and check? You will go and check in. mm, you will go and check in VI. This is not important, by the way. VI /etc by sysctl dot conf. Okay, if you go there, if you come down somewhere, you will see it. It's not really important for you to get this thing, but still we'll have a look at it. And it's okay, it's not there here. Okay, fine, leave it, no problem. Okay, no problem. It's not really important. Okay, so now you have finished your disk management completely.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
disk management is done. So the next thing I wanted to see is, did we finish sudo by any chance? Sudo, ACLs.
No, sudo, you told you'll do it today.
Okay, ACLs. Did
No,
we do
no.
ACLs?
I don't remember anything as ACL. Sankirtana
Access
Navya?
control lists. Access control lists.
No, no, we didn't do.
No, I
Special,
don't remember. Huh.
special permissions. Special
We did
permissions
special
as
We
in
did
permission.
special permissions, I
set
think.
UID, set
Yeah,
GID,
yeah,
set
this
event.
we did.
Yes,
Mm.
yes, we did it.
We did this.
Mm.
Access
Yes,
control
yes.
list we did not do, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Access control lists and sudo.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. Let us go to access control list and sudo today. Okay. How much time left? There is 24 minutes left. Okay, fine. Let it be. Otherwise, we'll do one thing, no?
Mm.
Uh, Today is Thursday. Tomorrow we will do access control lists as well as this thing.
Yeah.
ACLs and because you have to practice the entire disk management. That is one problem I have. If you are not doing it, you will forget it. At least you will have 20 to 30 minutes right now, so you can practice it. ACLs and then sudo we will do tomorrow. And then there is one more concept called SC Linux. We will do these three tomorrow. Okay.
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 Once we do these three tomorrow, you will also finish the access control mechanisms.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now you will be finishing basics you have finished. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
User management you have finished. Correct.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
Then you have finished disk management.
Yes.
Now tomorrow you will be finishing access control mechanisms.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Are you available on Saturday and Sunday?
No. The festival
Yes.
on Monday.
Festival is on Monday. What will you do on Saturday and Sunday?
There is more on preparations. Things are there.
Saturday?
There is some work. This Saturday, Sunday.
1 hour only, no.
At what time? Morning or evening?
Evening, 8:30.
Evening 8:30. Okay, fine.
Fine, no.
Hmm.
We'll
Only
do this.
Saturday.
Only Saturday. Sunday
Hmm.
I'll give you off.
Mm-hmm.
Just 1 hour only, no.
Okay.
Sunday also, if you can make it on in the morning also, I don't have a problem because these two girls are in US. We have
Hmm.
to plan
Mm.
accordingly otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we are already lagging 17 days back.
Mm-hmm.
So let us do few weekends at least.
Okay.
You
I'm
also
okay
should
with it.
finish it fast, right?
Yeah.
So that is why. Otherwise, I could not have asked you because Monday anyhow I'm giving you off. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Fine.
Monday you can't work, I can't work, nobody will work. So